Oh, that's not fresh. What am I going to have for lunch today? Whoa, that's not fresh.
Hey, Nikki, what are you doing?
Well, I'm entering in my files we're required to track our mortgages.
Wow. Now that's fresh.